Well, good morning. I wanted to greet you this morning, day 4 from my balcony. We have arrived. It's going to be a wonderful day. We've arrived at OCEAN Cay. So I want to greet you from my balcony this morning and show you this amazing view just outside my balcony. I am going to go out on the island and catch some areas. I wanted to show you the lighthouse. There's going to be a lighthouse light show this evening, and I do plan on attending that. For now, I'm going to go and grab some cappuccino and enjoy my morning and let it all get started out on the island. I'm sure it'll all be waiting for me when I get there. Awesome. We're going to have an awesome day. Join me. Okay, we're officially leaving out and about to go get some cappuccino. Let's go. Thank you very much. Well, I've made it down to the Galleria area and I am in possession of my cappuccino. I'm going to sit for a minute and just enjoy this and think about the activities for the day. I know I'm going to go and enjoy some sun and some festivities on the island. I think I mentioned also I'm going to try to catch that lighthouse light show later. I was booked for a Broadway show encore, and I think it may start the same time as the light show. We have to decide on that, but nonetheless, breakfast after this, and then just getting back to enjoying this amazing, beautiful day. You see that beautiful sky out there? It is amazing. It is amazing. We all deserve to work hard and then relax when we have the opportunity. Well, I've changed locations. I just finished a great breakfast. It was really great. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to share it with you. Thank you. Have a good day. Say hi. I'm sorry I get a chance to share it with you, but I'll make up for it at lunch. Anyway, just gonna finish up drinking some coffee, relaxing and enjoying this wonderful view. And I need to look at a schedule and figure out what I'm going to do after I come back from the island and come back to the ship. But the entire day is ahead of me. I am not in a hurry. I'm just going to enjoy these wonderful views until I go out on the island, which I think probably would be a little early this afternoon, and then get some great sun and views for all you solo travelers. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all on your schedule. You do what you want to do, when you want to do it, and how you want to do it. Woo! The joy. Well, good news. I left something here earlier when I was having my cappuccino, and they found it. So I'm heading down to the reception desk to retrieve it. Everybody dance. Do-do-do-do, clap your hands. Clap your hands. They've been playing disco. All things disco. It's wonderful. Us 80s babies. I don't mind telling my age. I'm an 80s baby. So we'll see what's happening. Hi! Yay! They found it. Awesome. Thank you so much.
It's very interesting. I open from the other side.
Flags.
I would let you open.
I will. I'll show you. Yeah, that's a nice pen. You want to hold on to it. Oh, cool.
It's an MSC foundation.
Oh, thank you. Commercial. Take one. There. Thank you. I'm so grateful that it was returned. I am so glad they treated my tripod like it was a diamond ring. I appreciate that. It took me 5 minutes for her to fill out the paperwork and let me sign for this royal jewel. So it's all good. So note to you, future travelers, if you lose something, my prayer is that people are going to be honest and return it. And you'll have to fill out the high security clearance forms to get it back. All is well. Let's go get ready to go to the island. All right, we're heading off the ship onto Ocean Cay. So far, so good. This is great. They have improved this island so much since the last time I was here. My goodness, just there's at least half a dozen new buildings, new places, new pubs, new places to eat, new shopping. It really, really, really has improved since the last time I was here. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see the whole island on this trip, but let's keep venturing. These are those MSC foundation I was telling you about yesterday. That's how they maintain a lot of what they're doing on the island. I saw some people with these. This is their fundraiser, how they raise funds to do all their marine commitment. For 60 cents you could be in on it. Be in on it. The bag is nice. The cap is cute. It's a shopping bag. Cute, cute, cute. I don't know what this is though. Is this a mirror? It is. Bam. Nice. Postcard. I was hoping they'd be turquoise. I think I'm gonna get this. It's cute. That's cute. Nice little keepsake for the island. And this pen, apparently, I was writing with this pen earlier. She told me I could find it on the island. Souvenirs. Didn't I just come out of here? It's a different store indeed. Oh, wow. It's a different store indeed. Okay. Well, it's the lighthouse. Do I want a lighthouse magnet on my fridge? All right, just leaving the yet another souvenir shop. I purchased a magnet for my refrigerator for memories, and it's teal blue, so win-win. Let's explore a little bit longer, a little more, see where we're going. Amazing. Just vast. Oh, that's not where I want to be. Oh, yeah. Paradise, 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 paradise. Just absolutely amazing. This is amazing. I could stay here. Absolutely stay here. Look at this turquoise water. It's absolutely amazing. Nice and soothing. Ah, you hear that water slapping up against the beach. Yay. What a beautiful, beautiful day. I've had a wonderful time here on the island. I'm gonna catch a little more sun and some more sights and then head back. Please come here. This is amazing. Or please go wherever your heart desires. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm probably glistening. It's amazing. Sun is shining right above me. It's amazing. See you back on the ship. What a great, great, great outing. It was wonderful. Let's head back on this ship. I'm gonna head to the pool. I'm headed to the pool. Hang out there for a while. The ship's gonna be decked at this island until about 10 o'clock tonight. So I'm gonna go grab some sun poolside.
This day overcomers anthem. Yeah. This the overcomers anthem. Moving mountains and dancing. Got the keys to the kingdom. So by faith we already won. Oh, so I gotta walk right. Tell the enemy it ain't a
Solo vacation. Solo vacation is awesome. That's awesome. Well, it's awesome in that you can do it. You can definitely get on a plane, get on a train, get on a ship, and do your thing. And just exhale. You work hard. You deserve. Say hi. I may go get in the pool. All is well. Vacation. Cheers. Cheers, solo travelers. Cheers, here's to you. May your vacation rule.